In the previous video, I showed you how to install the Zoom app on macOS for online meetings and classes. To actually use the app, you'll need an account. So in this video, I'll show you two ways to create a Zoom account on macOS. Method 1 is clicking the Sign Up button right inside the app, and Method 2 is signing up on the web. Since both ways are pretty much the same, I'll walk you through creating an account on the website. Over on Zoom.us, just click the Sign Up Free button. Enter your birth year here so Zoom can verify your age, and then hit Continue. Next up, you can either enter your email to sign up manually, or click the social icons down below to do a quick sign up with your Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account. I'll be using my email for a manual sign up. Just type in your email and hit Continue. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email. Go check your inbox, copy that code, and just paste it right here. Once your email is verified, enter your first name, last name, and set up a password for your Zoom account. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes at least one letter, one number, and both lowercase and uppercase letters to make it strong. After that, click Continue. Next, the website will let you know that you've successfully created a basic account. If you want to upgrade to Zoom Workplace Pro, you can hit Start Free Trial. Otherwise, just click Take me to my basic account. Now let's head back to the Zoom app. Click Sign In and log in with the email and password you just created. Remember to check the Stay Signed In box to keep yourself logged in for the next time you use this Mac. For your very first login on the app, you'll also need to enter a verification code sent to your email, just like we did during the sign-up step. And that's it. You've successfully created an account and signed into the Zoom app on macOS. You can view your account info by clicking on your avatar icon in the top right corner of the app window. From here, you can click New Meeting to start a fresh call, or click Join to hop into a meeting room if someone sends you a link.